Hello, everyone. Welcome to CITRA Viva, an agentic AI simulator for researchers and, above all, students preparing to defend their thesis. It can read the entire draft, analyze it, and plan an examination from it, question, press, and challenge, judge every answer, score the defense, and write the report. These run under one orchestrator across 4 specialized agents: the draft analyzer, the question strategist, the examiner, and the reflection agent. A 5th runs beside them on citations. CITRA Viva is a companion to CITRA, the AI platform for research integrity built by Agentic. CITRA Viva runs entirely on Google infrastructure. Cloud Run serves the application and its API. Firestore holds every piece of state. Firebase Authentication decides who may open a session. Cloud Trace records one span for every agent call. Cloud Build and Artifact Registry build and store the images. And the reasoning runs on the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, formerly Vertex AI. The Google GenAI SDK serves the requests, keeping the running container small. Let us go straight to the demonstration. First, we sign in, so every session is kept. The first screen shows the sessions already saved, a link to the guide, and the field that starts a new simulation. Before we begin, let us open an earlier session and look briefly at the room itself. The room has 3 panels. On the left, the examination plan, locked question by question. In the middle, the exchange, which can be spoken or typed. On the right, 3 tabs: the weakness map drawn from the manuscript, the judgment of each answer, and the closing report. Now let us open a new session. For this run, I am using a real thesis from an English department student at an Indonesian university. The first step is to upload the manuscript for the agents to read. But before that, let me turn on log tracking in the console, so every step can be followed and shown to be running on the infrastructure. Here I confirm the active project is CITRA Viva, and I list the Google technologies this run actually uses. Then I start the watch script connected live to our infrastructure. Now the upload. We wait for it to finish, and there it is. Now let's begin the exam simulation. Next, the agents analyze the draft and prepare the examination. There it is. The draft analyzer reads the manuscript and maps where the argument gives way.
Good morning. We have reviewed your draft on students' perceptions of using the Lingbay application.
Now the
in
third
their
agent takes
speaking
over.
skills.
It asks
Before
those
we
questions
examine
and judges
specific
what the student
aspects of your
answers.
methodology
Here
and
is that
findings,
exchange, by
please
voice or by
succinctly
typing.
state the
We check the
primary
log on the
argument
infrastructure,
and core
and it is
empirical
recorded. This continues to the end, and it is not a fixed list. The examiner judges each answer as it arrives and decides the next move. Press harder, offer a chance to clarify, move on, or record the point as undefended. A strong answer earns a harder question, not a pass. The judgment appears immediately in the panel on the right. Let us speed the exchange up and watch the whole run in the log, where every step is recorded. Finally, the 4th agent reads the entire transcript, writes the closing report, and scores the defense on the 4-point scale. The report can be downloaded. And let us look once more at the log of everything that just ran. All of it is there. Here are the other logs involved in a session as well, both from the console and from the Logs Explorer that Google Cloud provides. That is the demonstration and the proof. CITRA Viva, the examiner that reads your thesis before it questions you.